In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a second Instagram account. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very simple to go ahead and do this. All I want to do is go over to my Instagram application like so. And then what you want to do from here is on the bottom right, click on your profile icon. It's going to look just like this. And then on the top left, I'm going to see like on the top right, I'm going to see my like username and everything. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to say add Instagram account. It says log into an existing account or create a one. But since we want to make a second account, we're going to go to create a new account. You can change the username to anything you want. So I'll just do something like this. I'll just use one of the generic ones, but obviously you can customize yours a bit more. And then you can use a mobile or number or email address, or you can link it to your previous account. So just press allow and continue, press agree to the terms and policies. And then once you do, it's basically going to have your account made. So this might take longer or shorter depending on the servers. And it also might just depend on your internet speed as well. But just wait for this to go ahead and complete. Then it's going to say to add a profile picture, but we can go ahead and skip this. But now it's going to say welcome to Instagram. Let's start customizing your experience. So you can just go through this. You can remember the login info if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and skip. Then you can just follow some random people if you want to. It says following isn't required, but it's recommended for a personalized experience. So just go ahead and follow like any accounts you want. It could be celebrities or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow. I'm going to skip this stuff. And if you want to sync your contacts, you can, and then you'll be good to go. If I want to switch accounts, just go to the top left and then switch account whenever you want.